Hey folks, it's Mark Kelly again with Inbound Revenue. As you can see right there, you can check us out at inboundrevenue.com. If you have any questions or comments about this video, drop them below. Please subscribe to the channel. I'm Mark. I own Inbound Revenue. We are a white label Google Ads agency. What I want to talk to you about today is some underserved niches that you can go after for Google Ads for your agency. So everybody is going after, a number of niches, and you see a lot of people in them. For example, dentists. A lot of people go after dentists. A lot of people go after chiropractors. A lot of people go after HVAC, things like that, roofing. There's some underserved niches that I think it would behoove you to take a look at and see if they might be a good fit for you. And I say underserved because there's not a lot of agencies targeting these specific niches, and they have significant upside. I'll also warn you about a couple of downsides with one of the niches. So the first one I want to talk about is general contracting. These are people that will go in and turn a garage into a new room, will, add a porch, knock down a wall, that sort of thing. General contracting, there's all kinds of search volume for it. There's all kinds of need for it. What we try to avoid, or we only do as an add-on, is the primo jobs that everybody wants. The kitchen job for $20,000, $30,000, the complete bathroom remodel. So try to avoid those, but go after the general contractor. There's a lot of them out there. If they've got several trucks or crews out in the field, that's a good fit for you. Another one that I like is the pool niche. The pool niche consists of 3 sub-niches. You could go after all 3, or you could pick one. Custom pools, especially in southern states and California, and any warm place, is going to be a year-round business. Your more upscale places, Miami and Austin, and probably places in Texas, they're going to spend California, they're going to spend a lot of money on them. Anywhere hot, but you also have opportunity in, people have pools everywhere. But I'm just saying those are, custom pools in those areas are a year-round business. And it's usually an expensive job. And there's not only the pool, but then there's landscaping, maybe a dock, things like that that might go with it. So that's one in the pool space. The other one is pool servicing, cleaning. That's an ongoing revenue stream. I don't see a lot of people in that space. And then the other one with pools is repair, replastering, those sorts of things. So pool has lots of opportunities in it. The other one that I see as a potential, you want to target the right customer, is residential cleaning. You could add commercial cleaning. It's a little harder, but because people don't search that way. But you could go after residential cleaning. You just want to make sure that you get a residential cleaning company that's large enough to support Google Ads. There's a lot of mom and pops out there. So in general, we try to avoid, one person, one truck type of businesses. So make sure you've got someone who's got some crews out in the field. Residential cleaning, we can get leads all day long. There's move-out cleans, there's ongoing cleaning, there's Airbnb cleaning. We can get leads in those niches. So there's 3 areas that you could target, underserved niches that you could go after with your agency. Hope this was helpful. Once again, Mark with Inbound Revenue. Drop any comments you have below. Hope you check us out. Talk to you soon.